The screw guide supports both the vise nut and the vise screw. The guide can be damaged if it is hit or if something falls on it. It can fatigue over time and eventually crack or break. Replacing the screw guide is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the roll pin that secures the clamp face to the screw. I'll use a punch and a hammer. With the roll pin removed, now I can separate the screw from the clamp face. And I'll be careful to not lose the washers. Next, I'll remove the screw from the nut and the screw guide. With the screw removed, I can remove the vise nut. The screw guide is secured with 2 screws. I'll go ahead and remove them. And now I can remove the screw guide from the saw. Now I can install the new screw guide. You'll notice there's a notch on one side. The notch accepts the chain that holds the saw in the locked down position. I'll install the screw guide so the notch is facing towards the back of the saw. I'll place the chain underneath the screw guide. And now I can secure it with the screws. To reassemble, I'll place the vise nut in the screw guide. It doesn't matter which way you orient the nut when you install it. The difference will be the position it's in when it's unlocked. So I'll place the nut into the screw guide and then insert the screw. Now I'll install the first washer. I'll insert the post through the clamp, install the second washer, and I'll secure it with the pin. And now you know how to replace the screw guide on your cutoff saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.